Imagine yourself in this Ram 2020 1500 Bighorn. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 75/9 amplified speakers with subwoofer, pickup box lighting, sport appearance package included, body color exterior mirrors grille surround 1 body color texture 2 black interior accents body color premium power mirrors body color front bumper sport decal body color door handles body color rear bumper with step pads, 3.92 rear axle ratio, quick order package 25Z Bighorn included, engine 5.7L V8 Hemi MDS VVT transmission, 8-speed automatic 8 horsepower 75, steering wheel mounted audio controls, gross vehicle weight, 6,900 pounds, STD, Delmonico red pearl coat and Park Sense front rear park assist with ST